So next topic is embryo structure, type and development. So embryo basically develops at the micropylar end of the embryo sac. Embryo sac के micropylar end पे embryo develop होता है आपका. So I have made this flow chart so that you people can understand it properly. So this flow chart is showing the development of a dicot embryo. Dicot embryo में किस तरीके से development हो रहा है, dicot embryo का किस तरीके से development हो रहा है, ये flow chart आपको explain कर रहा है. And if you see this flow chart very carefully, you need not to learn all those details, all those theoretical parts. So we will start from zygote. So zygote में first mitosis होता है. As a result, two cells are formed. Upper cell is embryo cell and lower cell is suspensor cell. Then suspensor cell is rapidly divide and form a long hypophysis, of which basal cell of which is little bit bigger, and uh, it is known as hostorium, as it sucks the nutrition from endosperm. And this hypophysis later on developed to form radicle and root cap. Then this upper embryo cell, after two vertical and one transverse division, it comes to eight-celled stage. Eight-celled stage. Four upper cells are known as epibasal cell and the lower cells are known as hypobasal cells. So these epibasal cells finally develops to form two cotyledon and plumule. So plumule basically develops from the epibasal cell, and this hypobasal cells, they develop to form, they divide to form hypocotyle, except its tip. So tip is not formed by the hypobasal cell by the division of hypo. Then after in these cells periclinal division take place. So this periclinal division is the round division which makes the two circles of cell, inner eight cells and outer eight cells, like this. So inner circle further differentiate to form procambium and ground meristem. So this ground meristem ultimately developed to form cortex and pith, and procambium, it forms stele and vascular bundle. And this outer circle of cell, it forms dermatogen and protoderm. So this dermatoderm and protoderm ultimately form the epidermis of the plant of the embryo. Okay. So this is how dicot embryo develops.